got our goats and are enjoying the barn. We are going to build the lean-to off the side, which will be our greenhouse. He's at it again. Putting in the frame for the greenhouse. This greenhouse will be a perfect addition so that I can start off my seedlings in the greenhouse and actually plant things in the winter now. Our friends from In Spite of Us actually found these windows from our local thrift store, Loaves and Fishes. They were only $3 a piece, so we went ahead and got them, and I think they look perfect. Got our support. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 support beams. On this side we've got half a solid wall with 3 windows because there's not much, the sun's not coming from this side, it's coming from so we used a old shower door that was $10, and we got a total of 6 on the front. And each of these top 3 windows actually can open. They're on a latch. The latch is put over here.
Since it is getting very hot in here, we are opening the window.
We also got these, I think they're called polycarbonate roofing panels. They're usually about 2 foot by 8 foot, and these cost $20 a piece. But they're going to be the whole reason that sun's going to be able to get in to our greenhouse. Poppy said during the summer you can come in here and it'll be like a sauna. We can detox in here.
So this is where we are going to cut the hole for the jigsaw.
Okay, we do not have a hole saw, so we're going to use the jigsaw that I have. I'm going to let Kaylee drill the first hole so we can get our jigsaw blade started, and she'll be able to cut a round hole. So we come right on the inside, Kaylee.
Okay.
I'm going to let you finish drilling, then we're going to cut around that inside line, okay? You know what? Well, I think we're hitting that board behind. Let me see. You angled a little bit.
So we are getting a jigsaw.
We got this gutter downspout from the Restore. It was $4, saved us a little bit of money. We took a square hole, we heated it with a heat gun.
He put that pipe and he put this baseball bat in it. Then he got this very hot blow dryer thing, blow dried it until it turned round. So yeah.
We made a round hole, so now we can use these fittings to go from our gutter back through our wall to the black rain barrels. We have some old PVC pipes that we want to try to use that will collect rainwater In the wintertime, the black will heat up and help keep the greenhouse warm. And we also have rainwater because we have spigots located at the bottom of the rain barrels.
Da-da-da.
So the rain will come down here from a pipe down to this filter into the barrels.
And you can just twist the handle of it and then the water will come out. Right.
All right, we got this gutter downspout attachment from the Restore. A square hole to make a round hole because we have some extra PVC pipe, 1.5-inch pipe, and so we're going to caulk it. We're trying to repurpose everything we can for this goat barn. This is some leftover caulking that Poppy had. Big stretch, it's got plenty of room to move around without cracking. We're going to use it to work up a system to catch rainwater for our rain barrels. Kaylee is going to try to see if she can learn how to use a caulking gun for the first time. As the bugs get Kaylee bug. All right, that's right. All right, now you need to get it started. Study it real good, see what you need to do. There, is it going? There it is, look out. Just simply fill in that and let it dry really good. And we will have a special made downspout. We're gonna let it dry. All right, now when you finish your caulking gun, it'll keep trying to squirt out. You just do that, let the pressure out.
Is it dry?
No.
Nope, not yet. So we're going to put the oh.
Is that everything?
Yes. Got it.
You're good. Is that level, Kayla?
Yes.
So now what we're going to do is get the board and that's good. That over here.
It is really.
Go ahead and level up the board. Want me to hold it and you can screw it in?
Keep it.
Keep it there. What we're going to do.
Stays a little bit down. There.
Is it level? Nope. Bump my head against it. There you go. Grab this. Over here. Is that backwards? Going bonk.
Stay down. Stay
Yeah,
down.
it's good. You don't want to go through it. It's mine.
So there's one shelf done. So we're going to put these barrels on this table right here. Is she
Yeah,
right?
Brooke's in her element right here. Got a livestock pen.
We need tons of